have an uncovered pool like we do, you probably have the same problem as us, getting tons of leaves in the pool. Every day we take this skimmer net and we clean the surface of our pool. This skimmer net from GKanMore is so easy to put together. You just attach the pole by lining up the little circles there. You press them down and then you twist the handles to make the pole longer. It goes up to 40 inches. So as you can see, it really easily picks up all kinds of leaves, bugs, and debris that might be on the surface of your pool. It's a nice, quick, easy way to clean your pool. The net is a good size. It's about 16 inches wide and it's about 13 inches deep. So you can definitely clean your whole entire pool in one go with this skimmer net. To empty it, we just flip it upside down and shake it and everything comes right off. The net is made out of like a nylon material. The pole is made of aluminum, so it's very, very lightweight, and we just hang it close to the pool for easy access. So if you're in the market for a skimmer net, definitely check this one out. It's lightweight, it gets the job done, and it's easy to store, very compact. You're gonna love it, and that's my point of view.